Attention all Facebook users. You probably know there are over 1.2 billion registered members on Facebook, and counting, from all over the world, from all walks of life, and with a massive array of different interests. Facebook is one huge database, constantly gathering more and more information about each individual user. But you knew that already, right? But what you might not know is that Facebook uses this gathered information to categorize and link up like-minded people in groups for the purposes of big business. Facebook makes its platform and tools available to in-the-know people to enable them to drive massive target traffic to their business. Having access to a database like this is priceless to big corporations and conglomerates to get exposure for their brands. If you know how to use it, Facebook is a gold mine, and big brands know this. The average Facebook user and small business owner does not know how to utilize this platform for maximum results. This kind of information has been restricted to a select few. Until now. We've made an easy-to-follow guide on how to get massive exposure for yourself, your business, or brand, starting today. It's actually quite easy, and no one is sharing this information, so we decided we would. Don't become a statistic and get left behind. There's no cost, and this report will be immediately sent to your email address. Simply click this video at any point. You will then be directed to follow the prompts to receive the report instantly. Once completed, in 3 quick clicks, you will have all the information you require and can get started within a few minutes. Make sure you look for it in your email right away. If you are a business owner, have a product, service, or brand, or even if you have a group, club, or organization that you want to get out there, then this report is essential for you. Click on this video now and you'll have all the information you need to save yourself a lot of time, hard work, and money. We were in the same position as you and want to help. It's free and 100% safe. Click this video now. This video will end in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.